And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these Pixel Watch bands. See there, the Sport Band for Google Pixel Watch. And this is a set, so you do get 2 bands. You get a nice white Pixel Watch band, as well as black Pixel Watch band. Now I do have, of course, a Google Pixel Watch here, and I'm gonna actually use the white one. I like how the accent kind of looks there, and these are very easy to put on. They literally just kind of go a little off right there, and then it slides, and they just rotate and click right into place. And so with the watch band on, it nicely latches underneath, looks very similar to an Apple Watch, and boom, now your watch is ready to go. And of course, they're super easy to take off just by pressing down on this little side here. You kind of feel it press in. Once you press that in, you're able to just rotate the watch band out. So that'll essentially do it for these sport bands for the Google Pixel Watch. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you how they look on the Pixel Watch. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.